turnies. Good girl. Go the car? You go the car? Fall. She's like, bye. Bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Oh well, I went for a hike with Turnip to see the autumn leaves. You won't believe all the colors blowing in the trees. I don't mind if I am just friends with dogs. Yeah, I don't mind. I never liked people anyway, so I went for a hike with Turnip to see what we could find. I met a person named Bob. He talked too much, but he was really kind. Turnip is my friend and dogs are my friend. People not so much unless they're quiet. I like to talk, but I don't like Wyatt 'cause he's really mean. So I went for a walk with Turnip to be alone with the trees. Trees will talk if you listen, swaying in